Unlock mint's secrets. You won't believe the benefits. Mint, a remarkable member of the Lamiaceae family, encompasses around 15 to 20 plant species, including the familiar peppermint and spearmint varieties. This aromatic herb has been treasured throughout human history, not merely for its refreshing taste found in everyday products like chewing gum and toothpaste, but also for its profound medicinal properties and culinary versatility. The distinctive cooling sensation that mint provides comes primarily from menthol, a compound responsible for many of its therapeutic effects. Far more than just a pleasant flavor, mint represents a fascinating intersection of gastronomy, traditional medicine, and horticultural interest that continues to enhance our kitchens, gardens, and wellness routines in numerous ways. Health benefits and medicinal properties. Mint stands out as a nutritional powerhouse, containing an impressive array of essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. The herb is rich in fiber that maintains a healthy bowel, vitamin A that improves eye health and prevents cardiovascular disease, vitamin C that supports immune system and tissue repair, calcium for strong bones, iron for healthy blood, and folate, which is necessary for producing red blood cells. These nutrients work together effectively to provide a foundation for mint's numerous health benefits. People suffering from digestive disorders often find immediate relief with mint tea, as it has been traditionally used for centuries to relieve heartburn, dyspepsia, cramping, distension, colic, flatulence, nausea, and vomiting. The effectiveness of peppermint oil, specifically in treating irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, has been well supported by clinical trials, making it a valuable natural remedy for those dealing with this common condition. The immune-boosting properties of mint make it an excellent addition to one's diet, especially during cold and flu seasons. The menthol contained in mint works as an effective decongestant that can break up phlegm and mucus, making breathing easier when suffering from respiratory conditions. This aromatic compound is particularly effective when inhaled through steam, such as from a hot cup of mint tea, providing relief from congestion and respiratory discomfort. Beyond physical benefits, mint also contributes positively to cognitive function and mental well-being. Research suggests that mint consumption can lead to better brain function and help manage stress levels, providing a natural way to support mental clarity and emotional balance. For those dealing with anxiety, mint teas have been observed to reduce palpitations and other cardiac consequences associated with anxious states, offering a gentle calming effect without sedation. The benefits of mint extend to pregnancy support, making it a valuable herb for expectant mothers dealing with common discomforts. Additionally, mint possesses properties that help keep the mouth healthy, which explains its frequent addition in oral hygiene products. For allergy sufferers, mint contains rosmarinic acid, which serves as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that may help reduce allergic symptoms and provide relief during allergy seasons. When applied externally, particularly in the form of peppermint oil, mint can relieve pain, itching, and headaches, demonstrating its versatility as both an internal and external remedy. Perhaps most interestingly, mint presents a seemingly contradictory effect of being both uplifting to mood yet potentially improving sleep when taken before bedtime, making it a balanced herb for overall well-being. Cultivation and care. Growing mint can be a rewarding experience for gardeners of all levels due to its hardy nature and rapid growth. The best time to plant mint is in spring after the last frost has passed, with specific timing varying by climate zone, late February to early March in zones 10 and above, April in zones 5 to 7, and mid-May in zones 3 and 4. When selecting a planting site, one crucial consideration is mint's aggressive spreading tendency, which can quickly overwhelm other plants in a garden bed. For this reason, many experienced gardeners recommend containing mint in pots or designated areas where its growth can be controlled. When planting directly in the garden, spacing mint plants 18 to 24 inches apart gives them room to establish, while still creating a lush growth pattern as they mature. Mint thrives in specific soil conditions that support its vigorous growth habits. The ideal growing medium for mint is a damp, moist area with well-draining soil that has been enriched with compost or other organic matter. This combination provides the nutrients and moisture retention that mint plants require while preventing waterlogging that could lead to root rot. While mint is quite adaptable to light conditions, it grows best in either full sun or partial shade, with some protection from intense afternoon sunlight being beneficial in particularly hot climates. Consistent moisture is essential for robust mint growth, so regular watering is necessary, particularly when the top inch of soil becomes dry. The maintenance of mint is relatively straightforward, but does require attention to prevent uncontrolled spreading. The plant has a shallow root system and sends out runners that spread above and just below the ground, quickly forming large patches of lush green growth. This growth pattern makes mint an excellent ground cover in appropriate locations, but requires vigilance in more structured garden settings. To encourage bushy growth and prevent legginess, regular harvesting of mint leaves is recommended by pinching off the stems. This practice not only provides a constant supply of fresh mint for culinary and medicinal uses, but also promotes healthier plant development. For optimal leaf production, feeding mint regularly with a water-soluble plant food will provide the necessary nutrients to support continuous growth throughout the growing season. Culinary applications. The distinctive flavor profile of mint, cool, refreshing, and slightly sweet with varying intensities depending on the variety, has made it a beloved ingredient in cuisines around the world. In Vietnamese cuisine, fresh mint leaves serve as an essential garnish for pho, where they add a bright, aromatic dimension to the delicate broth and rice noodles when combined with chili, jalapeno, lime, and bean sprouts. Thai dishes similarly embrace mint's cooling properties, incorporating it into chicken stir-fries alongside garlic, onion, Thai chili, and a savory stir-fry sauce, where the herb provides a refreshing counterpoint to the dish's spiciness. Mint's affinity for meat is particularly evident in Mediterranean cooking, where grilled pork chops marinated with olive oil and fresh mint develop a complex flavor profile that pairs beautifully with accompaniments like Greek yogurt and red onion. Moving beyond its use as a flavoring agent, mint can take center stage in preparations like mint pesto, which offers a Mediterranean twist on the Italian classic by combining walnuts, fresh mint, lemon juice, olive oil, feta, salt, and black pepper to create a versatile sauce for pasta, meats, or vegetables. In salad preparations, mint adds a vibrant, herbaceous note that elevates simple ingredients to new heights, as shown in refreshing combinations with sugar snap peas, radishes, and light vinaigrette. Grain-based dishes also benefit from mint's diversity, with quinoa salads featuring fresh chopped mint, goat cheese, and sweet peas providing a nutritious and flavorful side dish that complements lamb and other Middle Eastern main courses. The pasta traditions of various cultures have embraced mint as a surprising yet harmonious addition, with simple preparations like fresh homemade pasta tossed in butter sauce and garnished with Parmesan and chopped mint demonstrating how the herb can enhance even the most basic dishes. In Indian cuisine, mint finds expression in cilantro mint chutney, a classic sauce made with fresh mint and cilantro, garlic, lemon juice, yogurt, ginger, and pepper that accompany samosas, dosas, and numerous other traditional dishes. The British culinary tradition highlights mint's special relationship with lamb in the classic preparation of roast lamb with mint jelly, a dish commonly served during Christmas and Easter celebrations. Even vegetable-forward contemporary cuisine has found creative applications for mint, such as in cauliflower steaks topped with a sautéed mixture of olives, porcini mushrooms, garlic, shallot, capers, lemon, parsley, and mint that exemplifies the herb's ability to bring cohesion to diverse flavors. Mint is a generous gift from nature, offering sensory pleasure, nutritional value, and therapeutic benefits. It's easy to cultivate, making its advantages accessible to anyone. As we seek natural health solutions, mint reminds us that ancient remedies can be simple yet powerful. Whether used in tea, salads, or as an essential oil, mint's versatility and enduring value enrich our daily lives. While mint offers fascinating potential health benefits, it's important to remember that more research is needed, especially in human trials, to fully understand their effects. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any of these teas into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. And as with anything, moderation is key. Limit yourself to no more than 2 cups of tea per day to enjoy them safely.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this.